Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. We're back here in Delaware in the garage working on the Lambo replica. Today we're going to be putting in the center console. We took that out, added a new shifter plate, several switches and knobs, and 12-volt power inputs onto it. And we're going to be pretty much putting that back in, wiring everything up, and getting that sealed back up. So let's get started. Just finished drilling out here through the firewall. This is where the center console actually gets put in right here, and that's the computer. Just drilled through here, running a positive and negative coming through. That'll be going to the turbo switch, putting in just a small turbo. So running that through, so we have a power switch on the center console should turn that off and on. Sitting here in the car, just spent the last several hours getting all the wires and jumps all set up. You can see here on the center console right there, all the wires, everything all pulled out. Getting ready to drop the center console on, make all the connections, and should be good to go at that point. In the meantime, check out, here's a couple photos, a little slideshow showing the progress shots of the center console with the shifter plate and the buttons and just all the fabrication that went in to make that piece. Hope you enjoy it. There's a shot of the center console from underneath. You can see all the wiring coming in from the toggle switches and 12-volt power inputs. There's your shifter right there. You got your fuses. I'm getting ready to put this down so then we can start connecting back the automatic door transmitter and power, and then also the accent lighting for the interior LEDs. And then I think we'll be good to go on this one. Here's a shot of the dash with the center console put back in. We have shifter knob. The Italian shifter knob's been put back on. We have the shifter plate with all the switches here, everything working. I don't know if you can see here. See if I can get close enough, but you have the Lamborghini script that's dimensional on that. Got the remote here for the accent lighting inside. So you have this switch here, which is your engine fans. And this is your accent lighting. You can see that. The lights haven't been mounted yet. They're going to be mounted on the inside of the dash, 2 rows on each side, shining down, and then you can use the remote here to adjust, what colors you want to change it to, and you can create your own colors and strobe effects and all that stuff. So we have that. There's green, blue, and then all the different ones there. So that's for that. Then we have the turbo switch here. Get your 2 12-volt power supplies right here in case you need to charge or just need any kind of power input on that. Well, we're pretty much wrapping up in the Countach for this week. Got a lot done between last week when we went ahead and put in the automatic door transmitter, got all that wired up, and then this week just getting the center console back in, wiring up all the switches, putting the shifter boot in place, and the plate that goes around that, getting all the wires under the dash all tucked up, the accent lights put in. Made a lot of progress. Down to just a couple more items on the electrical. We're refurbishing the headlights, fog lights, and then need to just connect the windshield wiper. All the electric will be done, then we'll get the stereo rewired, and then we should be good to go with that. And then we'll move on to the fuel pump. Looked into a little bit of that this week, and it looks like there's some kind of electrical issue. The current coming to the relay is not what it needs to be with the voltage, so we'll look into that. Hopefully get this thing running, and then we can give it a nice mechanical tune-up, and then we can focus on the body and the exhaust system. Get this thing pretty much coming near the end of the restoration process. It's been almost exactly a year. So that's it for today. We thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. We appreciate all the support. And as always, thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.